JerTV needs your help. Yes. So, I was talking to these birds, right? And I asked the birds a question. I said, what accessory should JerTV wear? Hey, shut
Your total will be 28.23.
All right, do you accept food stamps?
No, not today.
You accept Monopoly money?
No, that's a Safeway.
Just cash?
Just cash, yeah.
Okay. Bird talk. I asked the birds which accessory JerTV should wear with this shirt. Should it be the bow tie? If so, in the comments say, I chose A. Or should it be the saxophone tie? Yeah. Or should it be this other tie? Now, JerTV needs your help deciding which accessory to wear with this shirt, because I'm going to wear this shirt at an upcoming event. So I need your help, because right now this conversation has been going to the birds. Say it again loud.
Trapboy Daddy on Instagram. TRAPPBOIDAYDAY. And swishers, please, man. No, Dr. Mr. Earth. Buy that car. I like it.
Now here you go. Down. 1, 2, 3.
And you're watching JerTV.
Got it. Cut it out. You say one more bad thing. My mama